Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how can you unroll the tissue roll. So I have a tissue roll here. As you can see, it's in the white color. So what you have to do, you can unroll it by on the standing position and on the laying position as well. We use the tissue roll every day and we use for the daily purpose. So you just have to do what? Just you have to rotate a little bit. If you rotate it to the left hand side, it will be roll back on. As you can see, all the roll is rolled back. If you want to unroll it, you have to rotate it to the right hand side. As you can see, it start unrolling. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel Daily Hacks.